Okay, up on the screen, I have an example of a gift card gating campaign with Thanks.io, and this was specifically for retargeting. So, hi, first name. I was doing some research, and it seemed like you might be a good fit for our team. If you scan the QR code above and schedule a 30-minute Zoom meeting with me, my scheduling system will instantly send you a $50 Starbucks gift card instantly. I promise I won't be pushy on the meeting, just want to show you what we have to offer. Thanks, your name. So seriously, the $50 of Starbucks is just for scheduling right now. So this is an example of what you might send to people you want to recruit to your team, and I'm going to show you kind of how to pull this off. Let me just mention, in case you're wondering, that the card is redeemed after they take the action. So they're not just getting the 50, they need to actually schedule with you. So let's hop on into Thanks.io and look at the nuts and bolts of this. The first thing we're going to need to do, of course, with all our other, as with everything else, we're going to need to build this out in the system. So you'll need the message and the image template in the system. In this case, you're going to want to create a note card image template because this is sent using our note cards and gift cards. So you go to images, you design your note card or gift card, just put your logo on it. If you use our branding tool, it'll just have the logo. There will be one in there already for you, so you don't really need to fuss too much if you just want to have your logo on the outer panel of the card. Once that's built, you'll go ahead and do the messaging. Again, just copy what I just said if you want, or do your own version of what I just said. Just create that new message. But the important thing with the message is that you need to make sure that you use the gift card gating functionality. So I'm going to click Add Message. I'm going to click Gift Card as the message type. We'll do Recruiting Gift Card. Scroll down, put the messaging here, right? Again, you can just rewind this video and steal that script if you want to. Put the messaging here. Or you can use our AI writer. I'd like to offer a $50 Starbucks gift card if a real estate agent books an appointment to talk with me about joining my office. Let's see what the bot has to say here, if it works. So you could use that as a starting point, or just grab my script, so it'll write it out, content generated. Pretty cool, huh? And then here's where the plot thickens and it gets very interesting. So you're going to select the brand for your gift card. So in this case, we did Starbucks. You can choose any other you want. You choose the amount. And then the gifting, the gating, this go-to website before redemption is what I want to really hone in on here for you, because this is how you technically pull this off. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to give a link to your Calendly or any other service you use, and you're going to need to put that in there, okay? So when they scan to redeem their gift card to schedule, they're going to go to this link. And the very, 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 very important part is that you set your calendar booking system to redirect to this URL that I keep kind of highlighting right here. So in Calendly, let me show you where that is. So once you have your event created, we'll do the Meet with Ryan with Zoom right here. If you go to the settings of your event and you go down to where it says confirmation page, you have the option to display the Calendly confirmation, or you can redirect to an external site, and that's where you're going to put the magic Thanks.io gift card redeem code right here. And if you do that, then as soon as they book, they need to book with you, right? You're going to want to make sure you have Zoom connected to your Calendly. You can figure that out. Zoom pretty much just shows you how to do that as you set up an event. The person will scan, they'll book, you'll get an appointment, you'll know exactly who they are, whether they stand you up or not, so you can follow up, right? And then they will get the Starbucks gift card redeemed right there. They can add it to their phone or to their Starbucks app in this case. Now, keep in mind, if you're on our business plan, you will not pay for this gift card unless the scan and the action is taken, right? So this is an important thing. And I just want you to think about it. If you're a team leader or you're a broker right now, would you spend $20, $50, even $100 to get a one-on-one meeting over Zoom with somebody who takes this action is willing to talk to you about joining the office? I would argue probably yes, given that this is the business model and you want more agents on your team or at your brokerage. And even if only 1 in 10 people you talk to actually convert, you spend $50 on each one, this probably ROI. So feel free to copy the script that I showed you at the top, or you can just use our AI writer to write whatever you want. Again, the magic here is in the gating of the gift card. They have to take that action and book with you. And then from there, of course, you can either upload a list of recruits using whatever system you use to get that data, or just as you see somebody cool you'd like to join your team, you just manually send them out this gift card gating idea. And this could be a really cool path to recruiting for you and your team.